Right, let's do these questions. Remember the exponential definition, which says x to the power negative a is equal to 1 over x to the power a. And also 1 over x to the power negative a is equal to x to the power a. Remember those. At a, 1 over x plus y to the power negative 1. This bracket is like the base, so it's like the x here. So it becomes x plus y to the power 1, which is just x plus y. Okay, right, and then b, x to the power negative 1 plus y to the power negative 1 over x to the power negative 2 minus y to the power negative 2. We can simplify these exponential expressions differently, but this is just a suggestion. So we can do this. We can say this is 1 over x plus 1 over y. Then all is over. This one is 1 over x squared. Then minus this one is 1 over y squared. The numerator, this one, the LCD is xy. So what we do, we multiply this one by y, then multiply this one by y. Multiply this one by x, multiply this one by x. Same thing here, LCD is x squared, y squared. So we're going to multiply this one by y squared, multiply this one by y squared. Multiply this one by x squared, multiply this one by x squared. Right, and then what we remain with, we have y over xy plus x over xy, and then divided by y squared over x squared y squared minus x squared over x squared y squared. Right, and then let's simplify the numerator. The denominator is the same, so we can add the numerators. So it becomes y plus x over xy. The denominator again, if you check here, these two denominators are the same, so we can subtract the numerators. This is y squared minus x squared over x squared y squared. Right? Usually I write this thing like this. I find it easier, but people do it differently here. Okay, right? So what you do, you can say y plus x over xy, then divided by y squared minus x squared over x squared y squared. Then tip and times y plus x over xy times x squared y squared over y squared minus x squared. Then you can see difference of two squares here. So it becomes y plus x over xy, then times x squared y squared, then here factorize that using difference of two squares, y minus x, y plus x, right? Then y plus x divided by y plus x is 1. X squared divided by x is x, so we cancel, you remain with 1x. And then y squared divided by y is y, so we cancel 1y here, we remain with 1y. So what are we left with? We're left with x y over y minus x. Right, and then c, this like 1 over a, and then times 1 over b squared minus 1 over a squared from this one, and then times 1 over b, right? All this divided by 1 over b squared minus 1 over a squared. Let's look at the numerator. The LCD is going to be a squared b squared. So we multiply this one by a, multiply by a. In this side we multiply by b, multiply by b. And then this one, the LCD is a squared b squared, multiply by a squared, multiply by a squared, multiply by b squared, multiply by b squared. Okay, then what we have, we're going to have a over a squared b squared minus b over a squared b squared. Write all this over. Now doing this part, so it's a squared over a squared b squared minus b squared over a squared b squared, right? And then if you check the top part, this one, the denominators are the same, we can subtract the numerators. So it's a minus b over a squared b squared divided by this part. We can also subtract the numerators there. So it's a squared minus b squared over a squared b squared, right? And then what are we left with? We have a minus b over a squared b squared divided by a squared minus b squared over a squared b squared, which is equal to a minus b a squared b squared times a squared b squared over a squared minus b squared. Right, we can see difference of two squares here. We can even start by dividing this. A squared b squared divided by a squared b squared is 1, so we have 1 there. Then the remainder with a minus b over a squared minus b squared. Right, and the difference of two squares there, a minus b, then a minus b, a plus b. Then a minus b divided by a minus b is 1, so it remains with 1 over a plus b.